I'm just going to finish wiring it all up and then we'll give it a test. Okay, in today's episode we're going to be installing some audio. We're going to be building the box and then hopefully fitting that in the car. In the previous episode we got all the hard lines finished in and installed into the car and air set up. Okay, what I've done is made a template for the front of there, then transferred it onto this piece of wood, and then we'll cut this out and we'll have that template. And just like that, we've got the front of the box, got a viewing window there, and then we'll build box behind there. Okay, what I've done, I've marked out where I'm going to be cutting a viewing window on the face piece, and then these green lines are going to be pieces of wood to house each speaker either side, and then the amp will sit in the middle upright. That's the front face on, nailed in, glued down. Now we'll work on getting the wood in there, making it an actual box. Okay, so I've cut the pieces of wood to go here to build up the kind of sides, and then one tub's going to fit here, one there, amp here. So now we'll find the centre of this, cut the hole for the subs, and then we'll build up the back and the top and then mount the amp. Okay, so we've got the template on there. I'm going to cut it out now, see how it fits, and then start assembling the whole box. Okay, so that's the front of the box. We just need to make the back and top of the box now. Okay, so what I've had to do is I've had to make a top for the box. I've made a template and then cut it out because this needs to be removable because the box will not go in and out while this is on top. So what I'm going to do, screw it down, make sure it's all right, nice, and then we can look at installing all the audio. Okay, so the amp's going to go here in the middle, and then the two speakers either side there, and then all of this will be covered. All this will be covered as well, quite nice. So I'm going to line up the amp now and get it all right. Okay, so that's the box built, everything mounted. Now we're going to put it in the car, start feeding the wires, and then we'll be able to test everything out, see if it all works, things like that. So let's do that now. Okay, so we're all in now. I'm just going to finish wiring it all up and then we'll give it a test. Okay, I'm going to go put the ignition on and see if it works. Okay, so we're all on. Ignore that, that's just the compressor kicking in because the ignition's on. So now we'll see if we can get something to play. Okay, after a lot of messing around, I've got it all done now and it is working. I've had to put it on a high level input because we're going off the factory standard head unit. But I don't know if you can see because it's not the best lighting, but we're nearly there. I'll just put the top on for you guys. Okay, we've had to switch to my phone because the GoPro's dead, but that's it with the top on. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. Alright, so that's going to be it for today, but in the next episode we're going to be adding the glass or perspex like acrylic and then we're going to start wrapping it in the material that we've gone for. So don't forget, like this video and subscribe for the next one. Cheers.